Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the field map tool. So if I just click get data, you automatically go here, and let me just go to my Excel workbook. And I just found this on free online. I think it was in Microsoft somewhere, but you know, so far there's nothing here. So now I've already created my field map. So now so this is the list of orders, the customer's name, the city, and the country. As you can see, there's a whole different one. There's like loads of different countries here. So all you need is this list of orders, I think. Order ID and stuff, load. And it's gonna load it down here. And list of orders. Now I've got this, now city and country. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a graph first, because it's a graph. So what can we do? Oh yeah, country. So we're going to use a clustered column chart. And I've got lots of different countries this time. So if I put in the x-axis, where is it? It's over there. I think it's supposed to be here. No. It's supposed to be here. So and then I need region lat list of orders. Oh, lat there. And it even made it in descending order. Yeah, ascending order. You can go that way, descending. So we got a lot of from France, then Germany, then UK. So we're spread around Europe. So if I just put it there. Next, I'm going to use the field map tool and my location. What's this region? Let's see. Oh, no, my region's around here, isn't it? So yeah, I think we should go a country there. Country, no, it's a region. Let's move here. So like that. Oh, I can't see anything properly. So then, I've got that. And now so what do I do next? So I'm just gonna pause it for a second here. So I think I'm just gonna put my list of orders in my data fields. Well, list of orders and longitude. So my longitude and my latitude have to go in the same place now. There's my longitude goes here. My latitude goes here. And my list of my order date, cities, and my legends. So Aberdeen, I don't know, it's like that, I think. Yeah, I think that's what ChatGPT said. State, segment, list of orders, segment, region, list of orders, order ID. Instead of average, instead of city, put this. Let's see what happens. No. But we've got a graph and we've got a customer name. Cities. Instead of countries, put city to make it more accurate. Oh, it did nothing. And if I did that, it should. Oh, so can you see those little dots there? Yeah, London, St. Peterport. So there, what we can do is go here, map setting, fill colors, and I want show, and like you can see little dots here, like little dots. But you know, I need them to be bigger, so I'm gonna look at this. Wow, you got a lot of orders here. This is just free copy data. What? Who's gonna do this? Oh. Fill colors, no. Map settings. Star road. Dark. What's this? Okay, I'm gonna go to general. Ah, that makes it look so much better. So much easier to see. But, you know, you can't see it very much from here. Since there's such a big, I think I needed to make it bigger so you can see all of it. I'm sorry, my computer's lagging a bit. I'm just gonna stop it for a second to make it unlag. So yeah, I'm able to do that. Now, if you can see, I've made it so much bigger for us to see. Oh no, I just zoomed into your frame. Need to somehow. How do you make it bigger? How do you make it bigger? And I'm just gonna make this smaller. I'm gonna just no. It's gonna take forever. My computer's a bit laggy. I mean, if you're a computer, you have to be laggy. If this much data you're handling. But I made a little graph here, so how do I? Oh, so I'm gonna move. No. I'm gonna move this to the end, and my graph here at the bottom. And now I'm gonna just. Well, that's how you use a filled map to show you where the customers are. Look, so we're getting a lot of customers from Dublin, Ireland. Look at that. Can you see we're getting from? Why are we getting it in Grenville? Yo, Cashley, oh my god! I just realized I could have done that all this time. Now that looks tiny, but that's the max size it can go. So, now it looks better. We're getting more of it with the richer countries and less of it from the normal countries like Romania. They're not that rich. Romania's not like that rich. Okay, I didn't know you can do that. But why am I zooming into Austria? I don't want to zoom into Austria. I'm getting quite a few orders. I'm going to make it more visible for them to see. No, I don't want Austria. Why is it showing me Austria? And so I'm going to. Where's my legend? Where's my data field? My data field. It's gone. I might have clicked it by accident. Oh, that's the problem here. There's a country. There's my city. Why is it zooming in Austria? I don't want Austria. Escape. Escape Austria. Oh, no. doing that as the region. Yeah. Well, is there any back button on this? Oh, there. Undo the last action. Undo the last action. Undo the last action. Ah, what did I do? See. I'll just proceed. Yeah, as you can see, we're getting a lot of orders from Germany and stuff. And we've got this to do. I gotta make it bigger. But that's a lot in difference. So now let's go to the line graph. Yo, this does not look good. No, go back to the bar chart, press the bar chart. Oh, and now let's make a line graph. So now what can we do for the x-axis? List of orders, city. So order date, ship mode, state, region, list of orders. List of orders over ship date. I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Oh, wait. Ship date. No. I'm gonna put. Well, actually, you can make two. I mean, it's gonna be a little bit harder to see, but if you can see there, yeah, we can make two. There's no space for it. No space for it to show Portugal. Oh no, Portugal's over there. Oh, we're missing one. Why is the United Kingdom all the way up here, and then the United Kingdom here? It's like so here. And why is Germany the leader when France is the leader? Where's France third? Oh, so my latitude has more. Yo! I think I confused it for a second. Oh. So the highest in latitude is Germany, but the highest in longitude is France. At least they're both two world leaders. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Bye. Hi guys. Today I'm literally